Hello, today we're going to be painting a Twilight scene. I hope you have fun with me. Let's go. And we do want the background to show through. That just warms up the whole painting and gives us more of a feel of what we're doing, which is emphasizing color. Why? Because color is fun and color is beautiful. So let's just put a little bit more color up here. So you can see that's a magenta, white, and orange. Okay, let's just put a little bit more there, a little bit more here. And this is our bottom, the second to the bottom layer. The first layer is apricot colored paint. I just put it over the white canvas and put it over the whole canvas. And that gives us a nice background for what we're going to be doing. And it allows the colors, the background color to come through, warming it up. And we want that because it'll look really beautiful. And I love color. Most things are never black anyway. They always have some kind of a color in them. So this is a lot of green and purple, and down here's like purple and a deep brown color, and we're just gonna fill that in there. Okay, just general, and it's fun to use a sponge. Very fun. We can go back over it and make it blend a little bit, make it a little bit more mysterious looking in there, I think, too. But I'm happy with this for now. So this is just a sea sponge, and right here, and I just took a little piece of it. And now the sea sponge is going to be irregular, so you can look for the area on the sea sponge that you want to use. So it'll be a little bit irregular. But we have that, and we have a little bit of this skyline here too. And my finger is green. I'm going to put this sea sponge in my water with my brushes because you can clean it out, just like you can with your brushes. You can clean it out. I'm going to go ahead with some of the water now. I'm going to wipe off this brush. I did a lot with the grain. We'll go in and we'll kind of add a little detail to the trees. After they dry a little bit, we'll add a little bit of the look of trunks and a little bit of the look of branches. But what we're doing really is getting the feel of it, expressing the colors and expressing who you are and your feelings. And nobody can tell you you're not feeling what you're feeling. So you can't make any mistakes. It's all about you. All right, now we've got a lot of the start of the water. Let's bring it down. Let's bring down some of the water here. Okay. Let's bring it down. Let's bring down the water. Yeah. Now this water, I think it is a slow moving river. As we have down here, a lot of them in Florida too. And we'll just go ahead and we add on the different blues. What's your favorite color? Colors, you know, I'm sure you know, but they tell so much about a person, their favorite color. A lot of color theories. things that are very interesting, like Young and Lucier, color theory. Those are interesting. And having fun playing in the paint. Okay, we're going to go on. The next part is going to be the reeds. We've got reeds here, and then we have a reflection of the reeds. I'm going to bring this a little bit up higher, the water, okay? Just a little bit higher. That's great. And here's a little lighter. I want to put a little lighter on it. Okay. And again, we're going for the essence of the piece. We're not going for to make it look exactly like it. We're just making it look like how we want it to look. So now I have a little bit of over-exaggerated color there. And we have another surprise. What we'll add to this piece. I think you'll love it. It's going to be a beautiful bird and the reflection of the beautiful bird. Yeah. You can see how we put the layer, a layer here, a light layer, this color, from this color, over the top of the part that we did the sponge. That adds more of a mysterious quality, blends the background, the sky in with the leaves of the tree, as you often see in the distance, a blending. And so we like that a lot. Yeah, we'll just keep going here. And yeah, very good to do, but put in a beautiful bird. And this will be a beautiful tropical bird. Yeah. And I'm using a dark brown mixed with purple. And then the other, I'm going to have the other wing come up here. And I might have to bring this closer to me so that I can see exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to bring this. We're losing our sunlight, so it's going to be twilight. And we'll work on our birds a little. And then this will be a mirror reflection. So let's just work on it a little and get a little definition. Of course, it's not going to have as much definition as this. And because of the time of day, the bird is going to be looking pretty dark. So that's it. We successfully captured our beautiful twilight scene. For more adventures in painting, come and see me again in the next video. My name is Caryl Jean, and thank you for joining me. Bye now.